channel. This is China Grayce. She's going to be modeling some nail polish today. We just got the new collection. You can see some of them right there. The new collection from Sally Hansen. This is the Insta Dry, and it's the collection where they collaborated with Jelly Belly. So like this one that you're going to see on China Grayce in a little bit is berry blue. But we're so excited. We got all 11, which is the limited edition selection. We got all 11 of them, and we're going to be giving one away. Probably we're going to make the drawing go for a few days, and then one lucky person is going to win what, China Grayce?
A Jelly Belly nail polish, which is named as buttered popcorn.
Buttered popcorn. It's our favorite of the 11. Okay.
And it was a type of a jelly bean, but now it turns into a nail polish.
Yep, so that's called buttered popcorn. So China Grayce is going to show you 10 on her fingers because she only has 10 fingers. And the one that we're not going to be doing live is this one here. This one is called Blueberry. Okay, and I did swatch it on the stick. Can you see China Grayce's face back there? You're in between that, China Grayce. So this is Blueberry, number 630. Okay, and if you can see it on my skin, a very, very deep navy blue. Okay, so this is the only one that we're not going to put on China Grayce today. Again, because there's 11 in the collection and she only has 10 fingers.
We're going to do that one another day.
Another day, yes. But this is Blueberry, okay? So let's get into the nail painting. So what we're going to do, first I'm going to zoom in here and start painting China Grayce's nails, and I'll tell you each color as we do them. But just a reminder, we'll put some information in there below, in our description box below. But this is one lucky person is going to get a brand new bottle of the Insta Dry Sally Hansen Jelly Belly Buttered Popcorn. What you have to do is you have to subscribe to our channel, give us a
thumbs up,
and you have to follow us
on Instagram and post us as many comments as you can on this video.
Yeah.
Whoever does the most gets that.
Okay, so we'll have one drawing in a few days,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, this would be a couple days.
Okay.
So it should last about like 4 to 5 days.
And then we'll draw one lucky person, but you have to subscribe to our channel.
Give us a thumbs up.
And follow us on
Instagram
at One Hot Kid Doc. OneHOTKIDDOC. Yay, let's get into the nail painting. This color is called Berry Blue.
Berry Blue. And then the number is 631.
631.
And as you don't know, this number is 623.
Oh, for the buttered popcorn? Okay, so here we go. This is the first coat. So this is one coat of Berry Blue. Okay, we're going to do another coat. Can you scoot your hand in, China Grayce, so they can see? Okay, all right. The next color we have is Tutti Frutti, number
628.
628, Tutti Frutti. This is one coat of Tutti Frutti. So there's a lot of sparkles in it, okay, if you can see that. And it's in a jelly base. The only thing that my daughter even pointed out, so that she knows her nails, is that the brushes on these are pretty wide. Let me show you what one of the brushes look like. And so when you're doing a kid's nail painting, that's a pretty wide brush. So it's kind of tough. So you have to be very, very careful, okay? The next color we have, number
632 is green apple.
Green apple, 632, okay? A very pretty green, okay?
Beautiful.
And this is our favorite. And again, we're going to do 2 coats, but we're just showing you the first coat. This is the buttered popcorn, number 623. So it has some kind of yellow gold flakes in it, in a kind of cream yellowish base.
So this one is bubblegum, and the number is 627, and it's like a very light pink.
Beautiful color, China Grayce. Okay. And right now I just do cleanup. I just take a little eyeliner brush, dip it in my acetone, and I clean. The edge is up, but not too bad. Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, you guys, so we've done 2 coats on this hand of 5 colors. So again, Berry Blue. What's this one, China Grayce? Tutti Frutti.
Green apple.
Mm-hmm.
Buttered popcorn.
Mm-hmm. And the last one on this hand
is bubblegum.
That's that bright pink. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next hand. All right, we're ready for the next hand. The first color we're going to do on the pinky is?
Peach.
What number is it?
624.
Peach.
It's right after the buttered popcorn one.
The next color that we're going to be doing is?
Very cherry.
What number?
625.
625. Very cherry. Here's the swatch of it. Okay.
Pretty.
Very
it's
pretty.
A nice bold red.
Nice bold red. That's correct. Here we go. Okay, so this was the Very Cherry. And we don't know if we showed you the first coat of peach, but peach and very cherry. All right, and the next thing that we're about to do is a coat of strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake number, is that 636?
626.
626? Yep, 626. Okay.
And it's very glittery, just like the second one we did.
Which was Tutti Frutti.
And
Peach.
And the sixth one we did.
So here is strawberry shortcake. We're about to
cheesecake.
strawberry cheesecake. That's right. She corrected me. Strawberry cheesecake. So here is one coat of strawberry cheesecake. And as my daughter just recognized, since this is called Insta-Dry, they dry pretty fast. She accidentally put her arm down on them and nothing happened. But I'm still going to put a top coat. Okay. Moving on. The next color we have is
Coconut, and it's 621.
coconut and 621.
And it's very creamy, and it looks like coconut milk.
It does look like coconut milk. You see, that's kind of like an off-white. There we go. Let's do that one. So again, this was one coat of coconut. Can you bring your arm this way? Thank you. All right. The next color we're going to do is, and the last color,
Island Punch.
Punch. Island Punch.
And the number is 629.
629. And it's a very kind of like muted, kind of a purple lavender. Lavender. Yeah.
Combined into one.
That is correct. So we're going to see, I'm going to let you see me paint her thumbnail. Okay? Can you set it for me, sweetie? See, there's a lot that comes out on the brush, if you can see that. So I try to get as much as I can off, because it is a very wide brush.
Just like we told you earlier in the video.
I don't know if you can see me. There we go. There is one coat. And I clean up. There's nothing to clean up really there. We'll just do another coat in a second. So again, that's Island Punch. Okay. Okay. And so now we've done two coats on this hand. So again, this is peach. Okay. Very cherry. We have strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake. Coconut. And then the last but not least is Island Punch. Okay. So I just want to thank China Grayce for being my little test model today. And again, we are going to be so excited to give away buttered popcorn. You must subscribe, give a thumbs up, and follow us on Instagram at OneHotKidDoc.
And stay tuned for the going out video. For the going out last time.
I don't know what that means. China Grayce misses you guys. Peace out.